You love your work boots, but between the rain, mud, and gravel, they've started to look old and worn. You're not alone. Dirt builds up, leather dries out, and most people use the wrong methods to clean their boots, which often leads to premature aging, discomfort, and throwing them in the trash. Hey guys, my name's Evan, and it's my goal to share the skills and tools needed to love your leather. Today, I'll show you a clear step-by-step plan to transform your work boots from soggy and stiff to clean, conditioned, and ready for the next job. Stick with me through the end to discover exactly what you need to make your boots look amazing. So if you're ready to give your boots the care they deserve, let's get to it. Laces get in the way of a thorough cleaning and can trap dirt inside your leather. So always pull out your laces first so you can access every nook and cranny and wash or swap them separately. Surface debris and dirt will scratch your leather if you scrub it wet, so simply knock off any loose dirt first with a stiff bristle brush or give it a quick blowout with some compressed air to get all that dirt, dust, and debris out. So today, we're partnering with the best cleaner on the market for rugged work boots. Obenauf's leather care is non-toxic, all-natural, and effective for cleaning mud, sweat, and whatever else you get on your boots during the job. Simply spray CLEANIT directly onto your leather, give it a scrub, and then wipe it down. You'll want to work in small circular motions and tackle one panel at a time. Make sure you wipe off with each pass because there's really no reason to soak your leather for a routine clean. I know a lot of you guys out there like to hose down your leather boots to get off all that gunk when you clean it, but soaking your leather unnecessarily can damage and dry out your leather permanently. You can actually damage and break down the leather fibers if you soak them and leave it alone. Mold, mildew, and you've got ruined boots. CLEANIT lifts grime out without over drying. So after you've done that, let the boots dry for 10 to 15 minutes before moving on. And like me, even after the first pass, you may need to go back to some of those tight nooks and crannies with a horsehair brush or a toothbrush and scrub out all that remaining caked on dirt. Lastly, I just wanted to give my 2 cents on my experience with Obenaufs. Unlike other cleaners that I find feel clean because of the suds, I found that Obenauf's CLEANIT spray is simple but effective, and here's why. It's literally just linseed oil, soap, water, and a hint of fragrance. No harsh detergents or sulfates that are going to strip your leather of its natural oils, and it's good for anything from work boots to saddles to leather jackets. It just never fails to get that fresh leather feel without all of that leftover sticky residue. And maybe it's just me, but with all these new products coming out onto the market and having like 26 different ingredients, it's just nice to have something simple and effective that doesn't come with all the worry about not knowing what the ingredients are because you can't even pronounce them. They're just too complicated. So is it just me? Drop me a comment below. Guys, if you like the results that I've gotten so far and you're already planning on buying Obenaufs to try them out or just restocking your supply, I was able to get an exclusive limited time 15% off discount code just for my viewers, so feel free to use code Evumies during checkout at obenaufs.com. Why not save cash while you're at it? And if you happen to change your mind after purchasing, just use Obenauf's 100% money back guarantee. And just to be transparent, I was not paid whatsoever to make this video. However, JK Boots and Obenaufs did send these boots and products over to help me make this video for you guys. I genuinely believe in them, and I always try to find ways to help you save money on the stuff that I personally use and recommend. So with your boots freshly cleaned, it's time to bring back the moisture that they've lost. So let's dive into Obenauf's oil conditioner. This is my go-to for restoring suppleness and breathability when wearing work boots, especially during warmer months. Heat and rough sun can dry out your leather, making it stiff, but heavy waxes feel greasy in warm weather. So how can you keep your leather supple, breathable, and protected? By using Obenauf's oil. Note that any oil or waxes will darken your leather slightly, so test in a hidden area first for any unexpected results. Also, it's really important that you never oil near your rivets or near the glue on your outsole. Why? Because oil softens up the leather, and with the amount of force you need to tie your laces day in and day out, the rivets can actually pop out if the leather is over softened. Also, oil will eat up any glue and potentially detach your sole, so just stay clear of that area. Also, of course, how are you going to condition those areas? Feel free to use another conditioner or a light application of Obenauf's LP instead. So for seasonality, I rub in a light coat of oil conditioner to restore suppleness and breathability. And if your leather is a little thicker or drier than normal, you may need a little bit more oil. You can safely apply it either with your hands to warm it up first or with the provided applicator. And I will say you guys never want to saturate your leather with the oil, but you can add a good amount and see what your leather accepts and then simply wipe off any excess as needed. And real quickly here, feel free to take your leather or synthetic laces, wrap them in your hand, and give them a spray of cleaner with some agitation to get off any of that dirt or grime. After that, you simply want to take them through a cloth until dry. And guys, I just wanted to give a shout out to JK Boots for sending us these amazing boots for the video. These ones were dirty, but I also wanted to showcase my unboxing of their forefront boots and the sheer quality that they provide. They're absolutely some of the highest quality boots I've ever set my hands on, and oh boy, do they clean up well. And if you want to invest in boots that are made in the USA from the tannery to the very last stitch, JK Boots is the way to go. The break-in is minimal, the construction is solid, and they use Vibram soles for the highest durability. They can last you a lifetime, so use my code Evumies for 10% off select styles in the description. JK won't let you down, so give them a try. Alright, now back to the video. Rain, slush, and salt can seep into your leather, causing damage, stains, and premature wear, but oil simply doesn't cut it when it comes to that extra protection needed during those colder, wet months. Obenauf's LP Wax Conditioner forms a near waterproof barrier to keep moisture out while still allowing your leather to breathe. If you have leather laces, apply a small amount of Obenauf's LP to your laces because it will both protect them from the elements as well as keep them flexible instead of becoming dry, brittle, and then snapping when you need them the most. A lot of people will condition their boots, but forget to condition their leather laces, so make sure you guys don't skip this step. So yet again, waxes can slightly darken your leather, so simply apply a small dab on the inside tongue or the welt and let it sit for 24 hours to confirm that the finish matches your expectations. Then warm and spread. Use your fingers to warm up the wax and work it into the leather with circular strokes, focusing on seams and areas that flex. Next, you can optionally build a shield. Add thin layers rather than one thick coat, letting each layer dry for 10 minutes. This creates a uniform protective shell without clogging your pores. While the LP is not 100% waterproof, it repels water remarkably well, so you can expect the water to bead off of the surface, making it perfect for on the job through rain, sleet, or snow. Once your wax is evenly and properly applied, feel free to take a horsehair brush and further disperse those waxes so that they're evenly distributed. I also wanted to quickly showcase Obenauf's Watershield product. Although it's not made for leather, it's an awesome way to repel water from synthetic boots, cotton canvas gear, or pretty much anything you want to protect that's not leather. Now I quickly wanted to show how to properly use a Pacific Northwest boot tongue as well as a false tongue or a Kiltie. The way that Pacific Northwest boots are made is with an extra wide tongue. This enables you to teach your leather to form into a three-fold tongue to provide extra protection from your laces, and it makes your boots more comfortable. Additionally, the false tongue or Kiltie provides that additional layer for protection so that your laces don't tear through your boots. And if this is the first time adding a Kiltie to your boots, simply take your laces down into the first hole and then up and out the other, then lace as usual. Now, if you're debating leather laces over synthetic laces, consider this. Leather offers a rugged classic look that softens with age but starts stiff, while synthetic laces gives a lightweight stretch and weather resistance. Just don't expect any patina. And if you guys are not yet using boot trees, you need to grab yourself some high quality ones because they are a lifesaver. The main purpose they provide is giving your boots structure so they don't lose shape. The second purpose is to absorb any leftover moisture and odor causing bacteria. So if you're wondering why your boots look old and saggy even though you just bought them, it's because you're not giving them the structure they need. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I hope this video was valuable to you, and if so, would you let me know by clicking the like button? And if you want more leather care tutorials like this, please consider subscribing with the bell icon so you never miss a new video. These boots were meant for heavy duty work, but what about that formal event you have to go to? Check out this video next where I share how to remove leather creases from any leather dress shoes so that you can look great and feel confident in front of your friends and family. Remember to love your leather.